Hey, this is Colton with Arizona Appliance and Home, and I'm here today just to show you some of my favorite things about built-in microwaves. Now, for one, their convenience. They're right here at eye level. You can also put them under counter, but most of the time people like to keep them up here. You can also stack them with an oven for even more options with cooking. Another thing I love that most of them have, or they offer, is a drop-down door. That's really easy when it comes to cooking around the kitchen. Okay, and over here at one of our other built-in microwaves, this one is a little bit more of a contemporary design, a little bit more sleek, so you get a lot of design options, versus the last one that was a little bit more of a pro, a little bulkier look to it. It just depends on what you want. But I also love the features on this. So there is tons of features. We can go defrost, you can even warm up your beverage, sensor reheat, so it can tell, you know, what your food is in there, so you don't have to be keeping an eye on it. You got your gourmet, which is for special cooking, melting if you want to do queso or anything like that, and tons of other options you want if you want to do it. So this is some of my favorites, some of my things that I like about these microwaves. So thanks for joining us today.